So the first thing that we're going to be doing to get this thing geared up and set up for the intake is we are going to be removing the factory airbox. That is not... Will that work?
Oh, yeah.
It will?
Oh, yeah.
All right, what part do we want to remove first?
With enough effort, it will remove all of it.
If we can't get these freaking stupid Torx out, we'll break out the bat. There's one. First thing we should really be doing is removing this cover. John is over here removing that shroud in the front. Whatever the hell we were going to call this.
No idea.
Let's call it a shroud. Look how easy it is. You see that? Before we remove the airbox, we are also going to be removing this here with a flathead screwdriver. We can leave this one attached. We're going to be removing this piece here so then we can get the airbox completely out. How you making out over there, sir? Oh, look at that. You got the clamp all right.
I did it. All by my
Damn.
onesie.
You said you got a nice filter out of here? Oh, it's pretty clean. You know how many miles are on this car? Take a guess.
30,000. No idea.
5,000.
Oh, I was getting there. I mean, I don't have any...
I'm sure people online are probably watching this right now like, oh, there's easier ways to doing that, Mr. Ray. You could just rip it off if you wanted to.
No, I mean, we got a Sawzall, but that's kind of cheating.
It is. And I think ultimately we will be replacing this little hose here with a fancy schmancy one from Unitronic. We are removing...
It's German engineering.
I don't think so. This car is Mexican.
Oh.
I'm kidding. It's not made in Mexico. But most Audis are actually made in Mexico. Did you know that?
Did not.
I don't think any RS model is made in Mexico, actually. So we got that hose completely off. Now we can remove our airbox cover. Look at all the sand. I wonder if we live near the beach.
But you've been going rally racing with this?
Only at the beach. It's never been beaten, this car. Never seen a track. One owner, clean title.
Never seen a drag strip.
Never seen a drag strip. Never launched.
I don't think the throttle's been past, 3/4.
Nope, not at all. No watt runs. Lift up. Just like that. Wow, look at this Jim Dandy contraption. What is that? Why is there like a spring in there? You see it?
Can indeed.
I want to see if I can get this out.
It's already taken off.
It is?
It's loose.
Oh, you took it out already. Mm-hmm. Oh, nice. Look at you.
Scenario, you take it to my house, I got a plasma coater. Just kind of zip that right off.
Or just use the right size, which is, by the way, ladies and gentlemen, it is going to be a T30. T30 will get this pulled out.
Where's your air tools,
That's
man?
what I mean.
What kind of a shop are you? It's called a garage.
Oh my God! I'm usually not this bad at aiming. You know what it is? It's my Apple Watch.
Yeah. Too much restriction in the tight spaces.
Too much restriction. There we go.
And you didn't even skin a knuckle. Look at that.
Not yet.
Done.
We are going to not drop bolts today, by the way. We're not dropping bolts.
Butamus. Oh, man. Butamus Garden of Eden.
Do we have anything else? Nope. There we go. Let's see how much more flow we got. Yo! Yo! Can you hear the difference?
You think he's overcompensating?
Let me see.
Is this a diesel? Jeez, why do you need pipes that big?
Who doesn't need pipes this big? The fact that you could take the stock pipe and put it inside the aftermarket pipe.
An OEM intake down a hallway. What's going on here?
Exactly. Look, I can even get the bracket through it.
Good grief.
Let's see. Hell yeah, that's awesome. Somebody's going to be like, you're scratching the velocity stack. If we were just replacing the intake, we would have been ready to put the aftermarket intake back on. And it took, what, maybe
7.5 minutes?
The reason why this is going to be more complicated, we're also going to be replacing this factory inlet with the Unitronic one. That is not 8 inches, sir. That is,
I keep hearing that, but...
Probably they're lying to you. They're just trying to make you feel better about yourself. 2.5 inches, 3, I don't fucking know. I'm not even going to bring that on the video, but anyway, you guys
Sorry,
get
man.
the point.
I'm here to ruin your videos.
So in order to get to the inlet, the next thing we got to do is we got to remove this little rail here. We're going to have to make a little bit of room here in order to access the inlet. All right, got to unplug this little sensor right here. Like a little red tab right here. You just push up on that tab, squeeze and pull, and you're done. See, this is the stuff we just got to take our time with. Boom, there we go.
A little persuasion.
That's all I needed. All right, so we got that off. We got them all out.
Yay.
All right, so now that that's done, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna pull this rail. There's gonna be two 10 mils right here. And two. Tres. You like the sound effects?
Oh yeah, it's mandatory.
Yes.
Plausibly to turn into cursing instead of sound effects.
Nah, I think we're good.
So far, so
Till we get to that one inlet.
Oh,
bolt.
that one last one right over there.
Oh! I don't want to keep taking shit off because I think we have enough room now. So there's a hard line that's coming up from here. There is a wastegate line that is kind of bolted down to the inlet. This line here, there's a Torx that goes right in here.
Take this turbo out and we'll put it in the Mini Cooper.
For starters, we're going to need a new manifold because you're missing a cylinder.
Oh yeah, no, we'll build a new manifold.
I can't see.
Use the Schwartz.
I got it. You see it? Show them. We need a little bit more leverage. Ooh, listen. And you guys can see now I can move that line a little better. Did you see that? See. Senor. Veo, senor.
Oh.
You guys can see that's a T30 we just pulled out of there. And now these moves better. Another bolt right back here that holds like a little bracket. You gotta take that off too. And that's gonna be another T30. You see the T30? T30? Oh, you don't see the bracket. The bracket is right here. And holy bitch to get to. That is going to be a major problem. If I can get in there.
You can do it.
No, it's no good.
No bueno.
No bueno. What the fuck?
Will the Torx fit inside the wrench? Will Ray be able to remove the balls? Ray, tell us what we've learned.
So here's what I learned. Don't try to be like Houdini and shit and try to like squeeze like wrenches and Torx to get to a little bolt. This piece just slides out and you should have enough clearance. I guess this is where everybody's gonna be like, dude,
I could have told you that.
yeah, man, that's why we recommend watch the instructions.
Well, that's why you need to put it in the comments. So that way when we're making this video, we can read them.
Car, you gotta watch your video. We're going to use the small one again. Everything fits now somehow.
All right.
I don't understand that concept.
Just get the protectiveness out of the way. It'll fit.
Yeah.
Down in there. Oh, I heard it go. Yay.
Yay. Boom.
Did you see that?
That is the bolt.
There's the bolt right there.
Who needs a wastegate line?
Nobody. People that don't want to run boost. We are off right now.
We'll do that again. Ooh, wiggly, wiggly.
Wiggly wiggly. And I think
like
there is a...
I like it.
We need to pull this wastegate line off the turbo. So we just got that off. Just like that. Show them right here. That is the wastegate right here.
Let me get down inside your engine.
Okay. This is the wastegate line right here. The wastegate line goes right here. And we removed it. And Unitronic does supply a brand new wastegate line. But for the time being, we're going to unplug it. And we are going to get it out of the way. Ta-da! Ta-da! You guys can see that. This is what connects the inlet to the turbo, so we're going to get this one here. And then the one that's on the other side, that's the one we can't see, so we're going to have to get that one from underneath. There you go, we got that T30, and we pulled it right from there. All right, let me just get underneath there, remove the splash guard. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Oops. Hell yeah. Under trays out. Next thing we got to do is undo this charge pipe from here, and then there's a bracket that holds the charge pipe down here. Guess we got to remove that too. That looks like two T30s. Right up there, you guys can see where the charge pipe comes up. There is a 7mm hose clamp. Just loosen up that upper one. That should be all you need to do. There's also a 12th point that is holding it down right around here. Now with the charge pipe kind of out of the way, you should be able to get to that bolt that is right there. Hell Yeah, dude, that is wild. We're gonna take the old charge pipe. We're gonna remove the PCV hose. They call it a jet pump hose, same difference. This is optional, I read. It's optional. Got the factory charge pipe bolted up.
Oh.
Actually, we should probably put a zip tie on the hole.
If it blows off, then you have more boostages.
Yeah, till the boost cut hits.
Oh, that's fine. That's what it's there for.
Does matter? Size matters?
Size definitely matters. Holy shit.
Wear that as a dunce hat.
Yep, no problem here. Yeah. So we got to go underneath that. And just like that. Yep. These hoses go
On top.
on top. Guys, I just got the under tray completely bolted back up. Everything is done on the bottom. Now the only thing that we have left is obviously tighten up the intake, put our air filter on, and obviously get the little shroud on this thing. So let's get the car off the quick jacks and we'll finish bolting up the remaining pieces from the top. Well, ladies and gentlemen, and just like that, this job is fully completed. So Unitronic does supply this little seal. You just got to put it right around the shroud. All right, boys and girls, time to go on our little test drive here to see what this thing sounds like and feels like. Not sure if it's psychological or what, but the butt dyno certainly says this thing is moving some air. Car feels great. Really, really looking forward to reporting if it makes any difference at the track. But anyway, here we go, guys. Oh my gosh, guys, this thing sounds insane. Hopefully you guys can get the sound as much as I can hear it, but it sounds freaking gnarly. Let me know in the comments below, how do you guys think the car sounds now with this intake on? Forget a car, holy shit, that thing is sweet. I need something like Misconduct in my life. We'll be back uploading some new RS3 content. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment below. We'll catch you on the next one.